we're starting out with this, but I'm taking this and I'm tossing it. I only need this. Bring in your Club Couture cutout. Now this comes in your kit. If you are not a club member yet, you want to make sure to type club in the comments so you can get your kit for August before it's gone. And then you'll be all set up and you'll get September shipped right out to you at the beginning of the month. You should get it in the middle of the month and we'll be working on it. And you'll get all my ideas. It'll be awesome. So type club in the comments so you can get your kit. And we got a little 5x7 slim cuts here, or simple shape. Sorry, so many names, so many words. I've got my Hey Pumpkin transfer and my August club transfer. I'm gonna be working on both of these things. The first thing is I'm gonna prepare my club design. All right, so we're gonna be on this side. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my papaya chalk paste and I think I'll grab a little piece of my sponge. This is one of our board erasers. Gosh, my brain. And I'm just gonna cover that. Simple as pie. Then I need to take a little bit of our moss and I'll do that on the top. So we're just gonna kind of get in there and blend. Perfect. This will get washed and I can reuse it. Oops, daisy. All right, so I am done with those. This is so easy, you guys. You're gonna love it. Now I'm just gonna dry my old pumpkin cutout. And it dries quick as can be. All right, I'm gonna chalk over this. I'm gonna show you up close though what it looks like. Ta-da! All right, now I am going to do a little waxing. Okay, that waxing feels good. Now, I'm gonna take our club cutout. I'm gonna take this pumpkin and I'm just gonna line it up with the cutout. Perfect. And I'm doing a little shimmer here, so shimmer shadow. This is a black shimmer. I'm just gonna scoop some up. And I'm gonna do this. This is our outline of the actual pumpkin, with lots of shimmer. All right. Put the extra back. Peel. It looks so good. All right, we're gonna dry that before I show it. I am. Okay, so now we're gonna dry this. If you're new to to my channel, go ahead and comment VIP. I will send you a quick message with a link that you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now look how cool that pumpkin is. Isn't it awesome? All right, now we gotta do our hey pumpkin. So here, I'm gonna wanna fuzz this because I am chalking on wood. And I wanna You know what? I think I'm gonna distress this a little. You could use a sanding block or a piece of sandpaper. And I'm gonna use that looks way better. See how distressed that got? Okay. You can recycle those. I have recycling over by my desk over there. Oh, is it empty?
Yeah.
Just throw it in the trash.
We're
All right.
Pop these.
Yeah. Well, no, you can save those over there. I am now gonna wax. And then my hay pumpkin. We're going to use some of our black, just a little, and we're going to do some, this is shimmer copper. Getting as close as I can over there. There we go. Beautiful. And we just need a little bit of our shimmer shadow. Voila. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful shimmer. Hey, I've been meaning to tell you, if you have been curious about becoming a designer, I would love to share the opportunity with you. All you have to do is type team in the comments. I'll send you a message. I'll send you a video that you can check out. And if you have any questions, I'm here to answer. We have an awesome support system, the best team ever. Love to hear from you. Team in the comments, TEAM. All right, now we take our base. Remember, I had gotten rid of that other piece. And here I'm gonna pop in my 2 pieces. Look how cute. Probably need something a little more. So let's decorate a little bit around the base. I have this kind of rusty orange colored. Oh, I'm probably not gonna be able to find the edge now. Oh goodness. Oh, here we go. I found the end. Let's wrap it a few times. I'm going to take these off while I do. And I'm just going to wrap once, twice, 3 times. All right, let's get this over here so that we can do a nice tie. Whoops. I'm going to tie it nice and tight. And now it will stay here. I'm going to grab a little, like a couple other pieces of ribbon that I have here. Oh shoot. We need to get that tape off of there. There we go. All right. And all I'm going to do is just stick this on here, tie it on with my little clasp. I think I'm going to put a little bit of greenery here, like some leaves. Let me grab some leaves. Let's see what I have. Ooh, maybe. Hold on. Maybe I'll do some raffia. Plus I have this little tiny twig that literally it just has 2 leaves. That's perfect. I love when I find it's just 2 little leaves, some raffia. I think I'm gonna cut this in half. And use the bunch with the ribbon and the leaf. We'll kind of stick that in there. And we'll tie it up. And see how it flops? All you need is like a little glue dot or some hot glue. Got a little glue dot here. I'm just gonna open it up. Peel it off the sheet. I got it. And I'm just gonna stick it on. Perfect. You can pop that off when you're done if you want to change this out. We got our pumpkin. We have our hay pumpkin. Look how cute. Isn't that awesome? It can go with any. So if you see back here, I'm working on Halloween, Christmas, and fall. This is technically fall, so I could set it over with my fall stuff. Right there. So simple. So simple. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.